All right, so this ad from Dr.B Medspa in Bend, Oregon is packed with good intentions, but it's missing the story. Let's look what they got here, right? So they got limited time summer offer, claim your bonus Botox and lip flip, and or skin V before spots fill up. Purchase 35 units and get 15. All right, so that's it. That's the head. That's the copy. Everything else is buried in the image. But here's the problem: people don't read flyers on Instagram or Facebook, right? There's no local hook. There's no urgency in the text, and no emotional reason to care. It's just offers, not outcomes. Even the best deals fall flat if no one feels it. There's a lot of value here: bonus Botox, lip flip, skin vibe, discount, but none of it's landing with emotion or energy. Let's take the whole offer and flip it into something that's scroll proof. All right, we're gonna use our $97 ad rewrite playbook to make this more punchy, emotional, and built for the scroll. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this ad here and put it in my working document here so we have it. Let's make that smaller. All right, so we're gonna work on the copy and just the headline. So we're gonna say, let's open with identity and timing to hook attention. So, hey, Bend, right? Your summer glow up starts here. Buy 35 units of Botox, get 15 free. Right, this is the main offer. We keep it direct, front and center. Smoother skin, confident smile, and bonus glow included. Right, we emotionalize the results with sensory and lifestyle payoffs. We're going to use a shareable incentive to add reach and exclusivity. So bring a friend, and you'll both get a lip flip free. We're going to upsell, so want even more glow, add skin by for just 620, regular 750. Only a few appointments, appointment blocks left this month. We're at scarcity, right? That equals action. We set a deadline without saying the actual date. Perfect timing to look flawless for weddings, reunions, and late summer pics. Right, this paints a lifestyle value beyond just the treatment. And we'll say perform. This is going to add some social proof and calm some objections about overdone results. So performed by expert injectors in a med spa known for natural, beautiful results. Performed by expert injectors. Then we'll add want in, question mark. Pattern interrupt keeps it breezy. Comment summer, and we'll DM you the link to book. All right, so we're closing with a frictionless scroll native action. Let's add in some headlines here. So I'm going to say Bend Botox, 15 free units. And we'll say lip flip bonus this month. All right, and so that is our ad copy and headline to go along with this image here. So it says, hey Bend, your summer glow up starts here. Buy 35 units of Botox, get 15 free. Smoother skin, confident smile, and bonus glow included. Bring a friend and you'll both get a lip flip free. Want even more glow? Add skin vibe for just $620, regular $750. Only a few appointment blocks left this month. Perfect timing to look flawless for weddings, reunions, and late summer pics. Performed by expert injectors and a med spa known for natural, beautiful results. Want in? Comment summer and we'll DM you the link to book. And we got our two headlines there. All right, so this rewrite took a flyer style promo and transformed it into a full funnel offer with a scroll stopping local hook, emotional payoff and sensory benefit, scarcity, urgency, and social proof, and a no pressure comment based call to actions that people actually take. Flyers work on front desk, but online, your copy needs to move people. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.